Investing is not really taught in school, and then because I'm in the field of architecture, so finance is not something that I'm familiar with.
I want to have an early retirement.
My goal is to earn a passive stream of income.
My favorite part in VIP was selling put option so that I can collect a premium.
My favorite part is how the lessons were very easy to catch on for someone with no finance background, and also the group of people that we get to meet over the course. I think Cayden makes it very simple, and he uses a lot of examples to explain financial concepts. That was helpful in knowing how to understand businesses in a financial aspect. I would think that a lot of people are quite hesitant to invest because they think it's largely a game of speculation where you watch the stock prices fluctuate. But actually what we learn over the VIP class is learn to how to identify good and cheap businesses so that you're not affected by the stock prices and you're convinced by the fact that you're actually investing in a good business.
Yeah, I would like to recommend BIP to my friend because I also think that they want early retirement.